Okay, 18. Solve the following system with the graph, approximate answers. So we look at my two equations, y equals negative 3/4 x plus 3, and y equals 1/2 x minus 2. So my first equation, y equals negative 3/4 x, negative 3/4 is my m, and positive 3 is my b. So again, we start at positive 3 because that's the y-intercept. Since my slope is negative 3/4, I go down 3 to the right 4 and put a dot. In the other equation, m equals 1/2 and b equals negative 2. So I start at negative 2, I go up 1 over 2 to get my second point, then I draw the line. Again, we're concerned about where they cross. And they cross at approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I don't go up anymore, so 4, 0. 19. Solve this system using substitution. So we got x equals 2y plus 4. So that means I'm going to replace 2y plus 4 for the x, because that's what variable is by itself. So I write 2, I'm not going to write the x, so I'm going to put in 2y plus 4 for the x, plus y equals 3. Then it's just a multi-step equation, so I distribute. 2 times 2y is 4y, 2 times 4 is 8, plus y equals 3. So then I got to combine my like terms, so 4y and 1y is 5y, plus 8 equals 3. Here's my variable, so I got a minus 8 from both sides, which gives me 5y equals negative 5. Divide both sides by 5, y equals negative 1. Then again, I go back to the x equals 2y plus 4, and now I'm going to replace y with negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, negative 2 plus 4 is 2. Then I write my answer as an ordered pair with the x coming first, so 2 comma negative 1. Number 20 is solve system using elimination. So if you notice in front of the x's here, I have opposite numbers. I got a 4 and a negative 4. That means if I added these two expressions together, the x's would cancel because 4 and negative 4 is 0. So 5y and 4y is 9y, 32 and 4 is 36, and I divide both sides by 9 to get y equals 4. Then again, you can pick either equation, whichever one looks easier. I just picked the top equation. Now I'm going to replace what I just solved. So y equals 4. So I write 4x plus 5, but instead of writing y, I'm going to put in the 4, equals 32. So 4x plus 5 times 4 is 20 equals 32. Here's my variable. Subtract 20 from both sides, get 4x equals 12. Divide both sides by 4, you get x equals 3. And again, I write it as an ordered pair with the x coming first, so it'd be 3, 4.